All right, so I'm going to show you how to use the project manager interface. What you want to do is you got to tell the PMI where the project is that you want to start exporting. So we're going to go ahead and set that up. So we're going to call this project named demo and tell it where the project base directory is. The key is relative to this file. So if we look at our root server directory structure, we see that the PMI is underneath a directory called structure_structure.js. So we're going to need to get out of the PMI directory, get out of structure_structure.js, and the project that we want is here. And so structure.js. So then we're going to say, okay, so that's where my thing is located. Tell it the manifest name. It defaults to manifest. So as you can see, if we go down here, it's called manifest, so we can leave that blank. And then if we have our manifest in a different location other than the project base directory, then we could specify that here. In our case, it's not in a different location, so we'll leave that there. And then we're going to go ahead and save this project. Okay. So the idea behind saving and loading is, so imagine so all of these actually are different web applications I have in my root server. If I wanted to quickly come here and then do a build, a compression of any one of those, if I save them as projects, I could just come here, load it, and then boom, quickly export it. So in our case, we're going to go ahead and load demo. And you can see that our manifest was read, so all of the components of our application as declared in our manifest become available for me to compress if I want. You can also, just see them here. So in order to have them come up down here, you have to add them to this exportation, okay? And that's pretty simple. So if I wanted to export the entire project, you have a button that says Export Compressed Project. And here you can see that our whole project as defined in this manifest is combined with structure.js itself into a single minified output. And then I would save this. So just as an example, we'd come here, we'd copy that, and I already have, so I have a file called combine.js. We would go ahead and copy that there. And then now when I wanted to deploy, say this was the actual application, all I got to do is, now I just put a single script tag that points to the combined version, and bam, my whole web application is now been compressed and combined and dropped into whatever the application is, just like that.